Hi, so we've left the boat floating and we've come over this one. And as I said, it's called Mad Max, is the name of the boat for the sea. And we're in Sangat. And we're going in here. Yeah, I heard. So we've got a couple of jellyfish here. Just stay away from the jellyfish. Okay, and I don't know if you can see that, but there he is. Yep, and he's chasing Jane. And we're going to go through here. Let's see if I can get past.
We've got Jane here, we just haven't found Tarzan yet.
Yep. Let's see if I can get past this jellyfish without him touching me. Ooh. Okay, this is fun. So I'm told by the two people at the front, which is John and Tracy, our hosts for this trip, and then Jane behind them, that down here there is a hot spring. So we have come to find it for the first time for us. It's okay. I'm just happy to be. Yeah, it's hot. Yeah, the water is really hot. It's cool. And when I say it's cool, I mean it's fantastic cool. It's actually, the water is actually getting really warm. And this is fun. I never knew this existed. Isn't it amazing that two people from Australia can tell me something like this exists? And I've been living in the Philippines for, I don't know, 20, how many years? Living on the island since 2008, and they come and tell me. So now I know we can bring you here. This is really amazing. And the water, you wouldn't believe how hot this water is. And how clear it is. It's really gorgeous. And look, this is the hills of Sangat. Very nice. It always amazes me that the trees can grow in such conditions. Look at this flipping rock. Just brilliant. Oh. Yeah, the water is really warm. Not hot enough to drink a cup of coffee, but it's really warm. It's amazing. I'm struggling. Look at this rock. Flipping heck, these are big. This is incredible.
Looks like it. You want it to be icy cold. I don't think it's Jumping nuggets. I'll get some photos that you're actually in some photos.
Oh, hang on a minute. This is slippy. Oh. And they have a staircase. Oh, and there's John floating away.
Oh no.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, that's cool. So I'm going to jump in. And it is.
Come on in.
And look at this tree.
It's free.
Yep, so I'm going to jump in, so I'll come back to you later. Bye-bye now.
I'll take a photo of you.